Hi guys, welcome to Yoga with Ashton. In this 15-minute flow, we're going to be focusing on waking up and energizing the body. We'll be doing some twists, lunges, and some core work. No props needed, but if you know you like blocks, go ahead and grab those. If you haven't already, please tap the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always get notified when I publish new videos. Thanks for your support. Start in child's pose. Kneel on the mat and walk the hands forward until your forehead touches the mat. Sink the hips back towards the heels and bring the hands behind to rest on your heels. Close the eyes and take 3 deep breaths. As you breathe in, feel the rib cage expanding in the back body, and as you exhale, feel the rib cage contract and your bum sink a little closer to your heels. Inhale and release the hands to the mat. Exhale and firmly plant the hands into the mat and step back into plank pose. Take a couple of breaths in plank pose, remembering to press equally into all your fingers and toes. Stack the shoulders over the wrists and pull the belly into the spine, gazing at the top of the mat. Take a breath in and exhale, rocking back to downward facing dog. Pedal out the feet, shake from side to side, or any other movement you need before settling into the pose. Inhale and press the heels firmly towards the mat. Exhale and ground the palms and finger pads into the mat, ears by the elbows, gazing towards your thighs. Inhale and roll the body forward into plank, shoulders over wrists. Exhale and bend the knees, pushing back into down dog. Inhale and roll forward into plank. Exhale and push back into down dog. Inhale and roll the body forward into plank, shoulders over wrists. Exhale and bend the knees, pushing back into down dog. Inhale and roll forward into tabletop, keeping the knees hovering over the mat. Exhale and set the knees down. Inhale and extend the right arm and left leg. Find your balance and exhale, bring them to meet in the middle. Inhale, extend them out. Exhale, elbow and knee to touch. Inhale, extend. Exhale, touch. Inhale, extend. Exhale, touch. Last time, inhale, extend. Exhale, touch. Inhale and release them to the mat. Deep breath out. Inhale and raise the right leg and left arm. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, extend. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, extend. Exhale, touch. Inhale, extend. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, extend out. Exhale, crunch. Inhale and release them to the mat. Come back to center and come onto all fours for cat and cow. Inhale, drop the belly and look up. Exhale, arch the back and look down. Inhale, drop the belly. Exhale, look down. Inhale, drop for cow. Exhale, look down for cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Last time, inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. And come back to a neutral spine. Exhale and press back into downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the right leg high. Exhale, bring it forward and place your foot on the mat between your hands. Inhale and lower the left knee to the mat, keeping the toes tucked, and place your hands on your hips. Exhale here. Inhale and bring your arms up by your ears. Exhale and lunge into the right hip, bringing your elbows down by your ribs. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, lunge in and bring the elbows down. Inhale, press up, arms up. Exhale, lunge in, elbows down. Inhale, press up, arms up. Exhale, lunge in, elbows down. Inhale, press up, arms up. Exhale, lunge in, elbows down. Inhale, press up, arms up. Exhale, extend the arms out into a T and twist to the right. Inhale, lower the hands to the mat and walk your right foot out a few inches. Exhale and lower down to your forearms and untuck the left toes. You can stay where you are or add some motion by swaying back and forth and rolling onto the outside edge of your foot. Inhale, press into your palms to come up and walk the right foot back in a bit. Exhale and reach back with your right hand, grabbing your left foot for a twisted quad stretch. Inhale here, and exhale, gently release the foot to the mat. Inhale, press your palms firmly into the mat and rock the right leg back for a downward facing dog. Exhale here. Inhale and lift the left leg high. Exhale, bring it forward and place your foot on the mat between your hands. Inhale, lower the right knee to the mat, keeping the toes tucked, and place your hands on your hips. Exhale here. Inhale and bring your arms up by your ears. Exhale and lunge into the right hip. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, lunge in and bring the shoulder blades down. Inhale, press up, arms up. Exhale, lunge in, elbows down. Inhale, press up, arms up. Exhale, lunge in, elbows down. Inhale, press up. Exhale, lunge. Inhale, press up. Exhale, extend the arms out into a T and twist to the left. Inhale, lower the hands to the mat and walk your left foot out a few inches. Exhale and lower down to your forearms and untuck the right toes. You can stay where you are or add some motion by swaying back and forth and rolling onto the outside edge of your foot. Inhale, press into your palms to come up and walk the left foot back in a bit. Exhale and reach back with your left hand, grabbing your right foot for a twisted quad stretch. Inhale here. And exhale, gently release the foot to the mat. Inhale, press your palms firmly into the mat and rock the left leg back for downward facing dog. Exhale here. Inhale, rise up on your tiptoes and walk to the front of the mat. Exhale, fold forward, clasping opposite elbows for ragdoll. Inhale, hands on your waist. Exhale, roll up slowly to standing. Inhale in mountain pose, growing taller. Exhale, right arm up and over to the left. Inhale, lower the arm down, and exhale the left arm up and over to the right. Inhale, release the arm down. Exhale, pivot to the long edge of your mat, feet wide. Inhale, arms to the waist. Exhale and fold forward, planting the hands on the mat or on a block. Inhale, halfway lift for length. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale here. Exhale, grab the right leg and twist. Inhale to center. Exhale over to the left leg and twist. Inhale back to center. Halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward, palms on the mat. Inhale back up and pivot the right foot towards the front of the mat. Exhale, bend the right knee, press firmly into both feet, and extend the arms out into a T for Warrior Two. Inhale here. Exhale, place the right forearm on the right thigh. Left arm up by the ear for extended side angle. Inhale here. Exhale, place the right hand on the mat by the outside of your foot. Left arm up for side angle. Inhale, press firmly into your feet and come on up. Exhale, straighten the right leg, right hand on your shin, left hand up for triangle pose. Inhale here. Exhale, tighten the core and come back up, pivoting the right foot towards the long side of your mat and the left foot towards the back of the mat. Inhale and bend the left knee, arms out into a T, coming into Warrior Two facing the back of your mat. Exhale here. And inhale, place the left forearm on your thigh, right arm up by your ear for extended side angle. Inhale here. Exhale, place the left hand on the mat by the outside of your foot, right arm up for side angle. Inhale, press firmly into your feet and come up. Exhale, straighten the left leg, left hand on your shin, right hand up for triangle pose. Inhale here. Exhale, pull the navel in and come up. Inhale, pivot the right foot towards the long edge of the mat and clasp your hands behind you. Exhale, draw your shoulder blades together and fold forward, hands in line with your shoulders. Inhale, come back up and release the hands. Exhale, pivot and step towards the front of your mat, palms down and fold forward. Inhale here. And exhale, move the feet to the edges of the mat, sitting down into a yogi squat, hands together at the heart. Take a breath in, feeling the tailbone lengthen down. Take a breath out, feeling the belly pull into the spine. Inhale and slowly sit down, rocking back to balance on your sit bones, knees bent, shins parallel with the ceiling for boat pose. Exhale, arms out by your shins. Inhale and extend the legs and arms out into low boat. Exhale, back to boat. Inhale, extend out to low boat. Exhale, contract back into boat. Inhale, extend out. Exhale, contract back in. Inhale, low boat. Exhale, boat. Inhale, extend to low boat. And exhale, come back up to boat. Inhale, plant the feet and lower all the way down to the mat. Exhale and bring the thighs to the chest, knees bent, grabbing the outside of the feet for happy baby. Take a deep breath in, focusing on keeping the low back on the mat. Exhale and try to bring the thighs closer to the chest. Inhale and release the legs back to the mat for Shavasana. Extend your hands and feet to the outside edges of the mat, palms facing the ceiling. Exhale and close the eyes. Feel the body being supported by the floor and your nourishing breath flowing in and out through the nose. Take this moment of stillness and silence to integrate the practice that we've just completed and feel some gratitude and love for yourself and for the world that we live in. Take a deep inhale and start to bring some small movements back into your hands and feet. Bring your arms above your head and take a full body stretch. Walk the knees in and roll over to your left side. Press up into a comfortable seat, keeping the eyes closed. Thanks so much for joining me on the mat today. If you've enjoyed this video, please press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for new videos each week. Namaste.